Easy Peasy Playtime.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Add the hearts on the muffin.
We know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
We will broaden the lines of the muffin.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Do everything neatly and cleanly.
Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Don't take lines outside the boundary.
On Drury Lane.
Now we will color the muffin. Oh, it's a pink color.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do
Let's do pinky color.
who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know
Color the muffin.
who lives on Drury Lane.
Don't take the color outside the muffin.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The pink color looks very delicious.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin.
Oh my god, the muffin is looking so friendly. Do you like muffin as well? I love to eat muffins.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know
I am coloring in downward strokes.
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know
After doing the pink color, we'll go for the next color.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man?
So here's the red color. We will color all the hearts.
Who lives on Drury Lane?
Look how pretty the hearts are.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man.
We will color all of the hearts. Don't take color outside the heart. Now we'll use yellow color to color the body of the muffin.
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Yay, yellow!
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Now we'll use the blue color to color the body. Blue, blue, blue.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man?
Color it neatly.
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
The muffin is continuously looking at us.
The Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
What a cute little muffin. Now we will use a green color to do the same. Coloring the body of the muffin.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you
Green, green, green.
man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin.
Don't take the color outside the boundary.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Do all the detailings.
You know the Muffin Man who lives on
Now we will broaden the boundary again. So it will highlight the muffin. Do it neatly. Look how you make the muffin look. Ta-da! Like, share and subscribe for more. Bye bye.